Welcome back everyone to TMP Finance, where we make long and short-term investing simple. I want to take a look at the price action today. Today has been a very fantastic start for the week. We're seeing a lot of green here in the heat map over here. Everything's green, it's looking beautiful, and for the first time in a TMP Finance video, the Fear and Greed Index is above fear. We're currently sitting at a 28. Not an extreme fear, we're still in fear, but we are sitting in a great space. Nevertheless, we are seeing a bit of improvement in the market over here. Today on the NASDAQ, we were up, let's see, 1.94%, which is quite substantial. And we had a very clean break of not only this support line that stems back to 2022 when we were exiting the bear market, but we also got a break of the 20,000 psychological number level that we've been looking out for as well. So from here, I do want to talk about what you can expect if you are a bull and if you are a bear. If you are a bear, right now you'd have to be looking for another break of this support line here, and I don't expect that being the case just because this is a very strong move in an engulfing candle, and you don't really see a line like this of this significance where you get these very clean and very reactive touches get broken through a bunch of times and faked out a bunch of times. So I don't think the bear scenario is very likely. We did see stocks pop off in a massive way today. So if you are looking to go bear, you are looking for the break of the previous day low over here, and from there you can start to move down towards 18,300. Again, I don't see that very probable right now. Right now, if you are a bull, the best option is going to be bullish as long as we're over either the 20,000, but specifically the uptrend line over here that we've been keeping an eye out for the past couple of years. If you do break that, that's when you are getting risk off. But from there, you can expect to move up to this 20,700 line with ease. This has been a pretty key support and resistance where we have bounced around and chopped around there in this range in the later half of 2022. Sorry, in the later half of 2024. And it also represents a previous all-time high. So this is a very good place where you can expect to take a little bit of, either you can close part of your position. Right now, I'm going to say this is a very safe move. If you are looking for something a little bit more ambitious for your day trades, you can be looking for something all the way up here at 21,600. Or if we do pass that, you can look for all-time highs as well. And I am pretty confident that we will receive quite a bullish move from here, where we at least meet near all-time highs, if not all-time highs, by a couple of percent points. Just because the market is sold off so much, and if you take a look at the year to date for most of these blue cap stocks or blue chip stocks, we're currently down, double digits, right? Apple is currently down, let me see, year to date, it was down something like 11%. So I think this is a great place where you're going to see stocks on sale and a lot of buyers start to rush in and take advantage of the dips in the market. So that is what you are looking out for. We currently are in a long position, and if you are part of the TMP Finance Discord server, you would have received about 4 to 5 different notifications to get in today, because there's a lot of stocks and a lot of assets that are, popping off right now, and we got that on lock, and we're not missing on those opportunities. So let's peep over to Shiba over here, and I was calling for, again, I'm not a huge crypto person, but I did really like the charts on Shiba. We dropped down about 54% from this previous high over here, and currently, if you were to buy after the break off or the breakout of this resistance line, you would be up about 5% right now, and that's just on the very, well, let's say first day of immediate bullish price action. And I expect to see Shiba bounce quite a bit higher. I am looking for this price over here at 23.93. This is where we had quite a bit of price action and quite a bit of volume over here. You do have these peaks over here where we had a few touches of resistance. So I am looking for something like that, or I could be a little bit more reasonable, let's say, and I could look for something a little bit lower over here. But nevertheless, I do believe that the worst case scenario, you're going to be looking at something around here, where you're going to make about 57%. So if you are looking for a short-term trade, or you're not looking to stay with Shiba for, another rise of 100 to 200%, this is a very possible scenario where you can expect to get quite a bit of profit over here, 57%, right? And if you do take a look at the risk to reward as well, we'll take a quick look at that. From where we would have entered around here, we're looking for a target around here. And let's say that you have your stop loss quite reasonable over here. You're still looking at a 3 risk to reward. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, you can have anywhere from a 3 to a 7 risk to reward. So I am really liking this Shiba setup. The same thing is for Doge. You are looking for a little bit more return on Doge, just because it does have a little bit more volatility in the market. And yeah, so take a look at Shiba and Doge over there. Microsoft, we had this breakout of Friday, leaving us on a cliffhanger. So hopefully you're able to get in before market closed, you know, a couple minutes before that. If not, you were buying today, and we did close the gap that we did open at. So we closed that gap, and there's still a very good buying opportunity there. From there, from Microsoft, I am looking to just buy. If you are a long-term holder, you're just buying right now and waiting for us to reach new all-time highs. But Microsoft has been in a bit of a range too. So if you are looking for that day trade as well, and you're not looking to have that aggressive as of a position, you can look for support around here at 436 to 440. This is where Microsoft has seemed to top out a lot in recent months here, or even a little bit lower here at 432. So you can look for a trade like that. And we did touch support over here, so you could aim for the bottom, and you're still getting over 2 risk to reward over there. Apple also is popping off, and Apple has sold off quite a bit over here. We are currently down 15% from the previous high in late 2024. Again, I am really liking the Apple chart. Of course, I don't need to explain how Apple has been a fantastic stock. You're looking at over 200% in the past 5 years in return, about 260%. So yeah, if you're a long-term investor, you're just buying and holding right here. But if you are looking for that little short swing trade as well, you can expect to buy into here. And again, it's kind of do the same thing where your stop loss is at this previous low over here, the swing low, and you are going for a take profit around this dropping resistance here. And if we do break through, if you want to buy at a higher price, but with a lot more confirmation that we're still in a bull trend, you can do that too. And I like this setup too. It's looking pretty good, nearly a 2 risk to reward. So those are some things that you are keeping an eye out for. There's a lot of stocks popping off. I mean, Nvidia went up super hard. Tesla, God knows how Tesla is pumping the way it is, and it's starting to piss me off, I'm not gonna lie, because we're up, let's see, 12%. How are you up 12%? Your company has missing $1.9 billion. We're currently down, I think it's 50% in revenue. And what else? So much more. All the Cybertruck recalls, right? Yet the stock is still pumping. God knows how, but if you made money in Tesla, congrats, man. Good for you. But yeah, those are the stocks I'm really looking out for. And yeah, I hope you guys did capitalize on these trades here. And if not, and if you are looking for more support when it comes to your entries and your exits and just a lot more simplification when it comes to trading, you can take a look at the Discord link in the description, wap.com/tmpfinance. And from there, you'll be able to receive alerts when it comes to all the trades that I take for the NASDAQ mainly and other stocks that have very significant breakouts. And you'll also be able to receive free one-on-one trading sessions and also monthly stock picks that you can capitalize on when it comes to these, short-term swing trades every month and so much more. So if you are interested, we're currently beating the market by about 10.5% right now, and S&P investors are currently just making money even though we are nearly done March, which is so crazy to think about. So if you are looking to maximize your trading journey and your return, come take a look at the TMP Finance Discord server, and I'll see you either there or in the next video. So best of luck, y'all, when it comes to your trading, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.